What's up, Howlers? This is How DIY back with another one of my videos, and today I'm showing you guys how to make two ways to make like texture-ish slimes, like crunchy-ish slimes, I guess you can call it, because one of them is a cloud slime, so I don't really know if you call it crunchy slime, but I guess I am. So yeah, if you don't know who I am, my name is How DIY, and I do DIY videos and slime videos, and today I'm doing a slime video because last time I did a get to know me video, so that's kind of like a DIY video. And I'm really sorry I haven't been posting because I just haven't had time. Me and my editor just have not found time to sit down with each other, but today we finally were able to have it and get this video edited and done. Speaking of why it took me so long, it's also my slime shop with my friend Maya that you've seen in my Try Not to Laugh videos has come out. So make sure to check it out in the description below. I will leave it there and I might put it on my bio just in case so you guys can look. It's called ColorPopSlimeShopCo on Etsy if you just want to search it up. Yeah, let's go with the video. So for this slime, I'm making a fishbowl slime, as you can see. And I think it's really neat. You're going to be needing some clear glue, some borax. You would also like to use some of your fishbowl beads. In this case, I'm going to use 2 colors. And if you want some food coloring and scent. So first, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add in some of my Elmer's clear glue. So next what I'm going to do is I'm going to add in some purple food coloring, or pink. It's kind of both. It's kind of like a magenta. And then I'm just going to mix it in with my popsicle stick. And I'm going to add in some scent. This part is totally optional. You don't have to do this. This is just something I like to do. And now what we're going to do is we're going to add in our activator slowly because we don't want this mixture to overactivate. And then you can just add it in until it's ready. And make sure that it's a little sticky because after we're going to have to add in our fishbowl beads. Okay, now what you're going to do is I put mine back in the bowl. As you can see, it's not fully ready. The slime, I'm going to add in my beads. So I have some instant snow right here, and it's really easy to do. Just add water to it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my instant snow and start adding it to my slime so I can make cloud slime. You're going to have to mix it in a little bit more. And the slime that I'm having is just simply some normal white glue slime. You can have any type of slime to do it with. Just for the meantime, I just have some normal white glue clear slime, and then you just add it in until it becomes cloud slime.